Ai, Vatsonga ka hina manyanga ndzi ta kombisa loko ku ri wa subscribe and kombela u subscribe another thing congratulations to Mandla wa Gingirikani for reaching 10,000 subscriptions. Swa kala sweswo was really my motivator ya ni mahlweni ni pusha na n'wina mtaka a hi pusheni ya mtaka I consequentials talents I have a many ya subscriber na kona so namuntlha na swinharhu ka Vatsonga. Xo sungula I ku njhe swa pfa swi noka la nhlokweni ta hina ku sweswiwani a fa kha hi tiphina hi vunanga na swilo swo tala na ti-events ta Vatsonga. Xa vumbirhi I ku wa borheka na u swi tiva swikulu swo ku tsakisaka. Xa vunharhu I ku xana album ya Mr Post yi nga huma rini, yi nga huma hi December kumbe kwihi. Ndzi ta va kha ni ti adirese sweswiya hi ndlela ya leyiwani. First of all sweswiwani ku na ti-events to tala ta Vatsonga leta fa kha hi hungasa hi tona futhi sweswiwani fa zaleliwe ho 4 to 5 days ku ya hi ya cina le ka Good Friday. But anyways coronavirus yi nokini se ni mi nyika ku solution ka number 2. Ku solution hi leyiwani ku na Mafanato it's only 50 rand ku vona Mafanato online aka Right Vect TV. Mafanato majority of the actors hi lava ma ri vatlangi eka xitori xa Land of Blood. Mani mi hlamusela the backup story kumbexana the background story. The background story Mafanato I n'wansati loyi a tekiwile, loko a tekiwile ivi a jeliwa nuna, loko a jeliwa nuna a swi vona ku ku cata swa vanhu, ku rhandza swa vanhu ku yini aka from now on I'm moving from the other side ya ku wansati so ku fanele ku va mina ni jela ku vanhu vavasati ivi se ku va Mafanato loyi a jaku nsati wa murini nuna wa murini loyi ku nga Phesi a tlangiwa ku hi mani hi Fumani Xiluvana loyi a tlanga lo Bridge le ka Land of Blood. It's an interesting story that I have uploaded 5 episodes aka Red Vect TV. It's only 50 rand. So wena tiyeni ka Red Vect TV of course vona ku swi njhani. The quality is beyond comparable. Must talk na Google mara this time they nailed it. I'm certified. Ceremony ya mahlweni number 3 album ya Mr Post sinibuya ka manyanga ndzi ta kombisa laha n'wi tivaka. Mr Post wa order and this is one of the things ndzi nga tshama ni xi vula loko ni vulavula hi ti artist ta mundzuku wa Xitsonga. Loko ti artist ta mundzuku wa Xitsonga to tala ta hava order a ti swi koti ku package swilo. Mr Post wa swi kota ku endla video wa ku koncha ni ta ku tlhelela palms wena va ku beni palms mos wa ra mali wena bra wena wa swi kota ku endla video ku hlangana ya match. But then when it comes to addressing fans that the most essential part ya his career ku release music a nga tirhisa platform ya yena a nga si tshama a tirhisa platform ya yena at this stage leyi ni tivaka yi nga tshama endla live video ku tivisa vaseketeri ku album yi nge huwi because of coronavirus. Album yi to huma rini before ku ta vona coronavirus. But then yena u tirhisa that platform loko swi fika ka ku rhuketela na van'wanyana pfumala order sweswo order ya yimbeleliwa mara va hava. I said the very same thing loko mu vona video leya mina ni nge the one thing that's limiting Vatsonga entertainment I timhaka ta ku a va na order na Ben Menga no hava order. Usually his fans swona va talk for one album saying nothing about the album. It's just quiet. I do two album and go whatsoever. I'm saying I'm planning to make album but then in systematically I was too good for it. I could mess up. Book chawa yon da finishing so last year. But I did. So money I'm why Mr. Post on Messiah? I mean enough to see. Just imagine. If you're an artist like he was saying, Louis, a play, rotation, music, you can release your album. But things a lot pin, but chess but they get the video box and then you enjoy the music. But then when you are Mr. Post, your influence is based on high rotation. It's simple one at the big way. I got that having a look. And let memories way. That's how we're gonna remember your music. Then it's gonna following it as well last year. Mr. Post. So I released the album, just one without that kind of audience. He didn't green, he was hope. Such was so that's where his feelings. So he decided, no, let me not release the album. But then he could have released the album at Dominator online play, he has numbers, people would listen to his album. But then one more thing, as I said, his music is rated based on the what? On the influence that it has in taverns, the events and everything. So does it mean Mr. Post album you need after this crisis? By December. And let me give you just a clear update on this crisis. By my analysis, there will be an extension of this of Carlo Bangete style at 16th April. Why? Let me give you my stats. It is 25th March, the day before Kutsongola this lockdown. Khorhona 709 people. Our test to work make positive coronavirus. Now, I need to go many days after. I'm sure it's 11 days after this year. We are sitting on 1,505, which means we had around 800 increase. And mind you, within this period lockdown, announce Alexander Kumikulang announce Kailisha Konalu test positive for and look test the moon so the results that when you command the 4 days. Let's look about diagnose or make our Akalisha Alexander, but test way before one lockdown. Let's look back Libya Kayaba Chikachikana, which means we are doomed to win. That's why the number and the government just wants us. I don't think the government will say people go back home. Will say go back to work and do everything. So look only one because now the company financially the boy. Secondly, so we need to go back and be stable financially. You have music, so chances are from now, from the end of this lockdown until June, there is no one who's gonna release anything and benefit. Why? Because the people will be trying to get back to their normal lives. Who wants to go why? Why? Because there's fear. So the best time to release an album for Mr. Post is gonna be December, but then Manta mess and you gonna chance your dale Yoku look at look at 10 songs now. I can go back and do another 10. Then because in 5 months and do another 10, so out of that 20 songs and choose a 10. The provoke my boss. But then we don't know what Mr. Post and his team will do. But then the best time for the album is December. December kuma the gig, the telling go for December, December people are willing to buy. That's why general go not school because people end up buying unnecessary stuff. And then the music was unnecessary, but I'm saying people buy in December. To the extent you buy unnecessary. So why can't they buy unnecessary fan music? So I subscribe any the one sitting another about 10 minutes. And the chain there, but I will play my 20. But then the one thing is in going to come the video 10 minutes caused me now. In Balabula slash Babushlik in a will to for Xeketa and the Xeketa. So she considered the slash fan of Xeketa for Carolea. So I says who lose a concentration. That's why I do things like it's 9 minutes, 10 minutes. Look, go for around 12 minutes. It's called Nilava Kuri. Unga lose concentration. If you shoot the points to one, I didn't want to bully no 15 minutes like it. It's not really entertainment what I do, but it has to do with entertainment and what thinking. Subscribe and can send Vatsonga can see.